In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your YouTube channel as made for kids. This is an important setting if you create content specifically for children, because it helps YouTube apply the right privacy and safety rules to your videos. It also affects features like comments, notifications, and personalized ads, so you want to make sure it's set correctly. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign into the account that owns your channel. Once you're logged in, go to YouTube Studio. You can do this by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the menu. Inside YouTube Studio, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down that menu until you see the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open a Settings pop-up window in the middle of your screen. On the left side of that pop-up, you'll see several categories. Click on the one labeled Channel. When the channel settings appear, look for the tabs along the top of the pop-up and select the tab called Advanced Settings. At the top of the Advanced Settings section, you'll see a heading called Audience. This is where you tell YouTube whether your content is made for kids or not. You'll see the question, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Below that question, you'll have options to choose from. If your channel is mainly for children, select the option that says something like, Yes, set this channel as made for kids. I mostly upload content that's made for kids. This tells YouTube to treat all current and future videos on your channel as made for kids by default. If your content varies and some videos are for kids while others are not, you can choose the option that says, I want to review this setting for every video. With this choice, you'll be able to decide individually for each upload whether it's made for kids or not. Once you've selected the option that best fits your content, look down to the bottom right corner of the pop-up window and click Save. This applies your changes and updates your channel's audience settings. And that's it. Your YouTube channel audience setting is now configured, and you're ready to keep creating content with the right settings in place.